Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a look with, I want to use this lipstick, but the look that I want to do will be based around this, okay? So it's the Superstay Vinyl Ink from Maybelline, and they look like this. And I was looking at my stash and I was like, I haven't used this one, so let's pull it out. We're gonna be using this lipstick and let's go. I'm gonna start off with this. Obviously, I already did my face. I already have my foundation on. I put my concealer. I concealed my lids. My lids, I concealed with the NARS concealer, this little tub right here. And then my under eye, I concealed with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. The foundation I'm using today is the Maybelline Fit Me, of course. On my brows, it's the Anastasia Perfect Brow Pencil in medium brown. And I use my kimchi powder to set my concealer and around my brows, okay, to set them so I can fill them in. All right, let's start off with, look how beautiful this palette is. I love it because it's like perfect neutrals with the perfect shimmers. It's just perfect. So I'm gonna get the lightest color. This one's called Too Much. This is the lightest brown we got here in this palette. And I'm gonna place it on my crease, all over my crease, okay? Okay, and now I'm gonna pick up this shade right here. It's called Total Rockstar. It's a little darker brown right here. So with the same brush, I'm gonna pick some up. Okay, and I'm using this Real Techniques fluffy brush, and it's perfect to blend into the crease. I'm gonna pick up this lighter shade called Feel the Chemistry. It's a light shade. It's like close to my skin tone. I'm gonna pick some up with this fluffy brush. This is by MAC. It's the 224, I think. And I'm just gonna place it right underneath my brow and blend it. I don't know, I just feel like dusting some off. Okay, and with my finger, I'm gonna pick up this color called Brass Act. This one right here. This one. And I'm gonna use that on my lid. Okay, I dragged that brassy color a little bit higher. I just want it to stand out when I open my eyes. See how my lid, it kind of goes away. So that's why I dragged it up a little bit. I don't know if you can see the shimmer. I think it looks great. Now I'm gonna pick up my little smudge brush. Oh yes, I got my nails done, yes. I decided to go for this, it's like a peachy pink. I know, it's almost October and everybody's doing it dark, but I don't want it dark. Okay, so I am picking up this little smudge brush. I'm picking up the darkest color in the palette. It's called Let's Do It. Yeah, it's called Let's Do It. It's a black. And I'm just gonna smudge that right here. Under my bottom lash line. And I'm gonna drag it down slowly. Pull it out. Softly, I'm gonna pull it out at the end. And connect it to my top lash line. Sometimes this section kind of diffuses throughout the day. So what I do, let me show you. I get my black eyeliner. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 in 0. And I just, even if it's already, there's like shadow, I just put this eyeliner right on top of my shadow. And I'm telling you, this is not gonna go nowhere. I'm literally just doing this on the outer part of my eye. And I'm not even winging it with the eyeliner. I'm winging it with the eyeshadow. It gives it like a more softer, subtle look. Why didn't I do this first? I don't know. Sometimes it just works for me, okay? Just gonna do the other eye the same way. See how it's gonna smoked out? Then I could go in with my dark black eyeliner. And I just smudge it down here. Oh yes, I have my contacts so I can see. I can see, and now my eyes don't get teary. I think my eyes got so used to the contacts that when they're bare or naked with no contacts, they get teary, they get sensitive. When I wear my glasses, I feel like I'm looking at people like this because even the air, the wind, I don't know, anything makes my eyes kind of irritated. But when I have my contacts, I think my eyes are so used to it that they're normal. So there it is. And now I'm gonna go in with my contour color. The color is called Complicated. It's a cool medium by Makeup Geek. I love this one. I gotta check and see if her website still has these because I know she was like going out and then she said she was gonna bring it back. I don't know, I haven't updated myself on that. I'm just gonna spread it out on both sides just to make sure I don't do too much. And blend it inwards softly. Oh yeah, I forgot to do my eyelashes. Today is a work day, so I'm pretty much getting ready for the day. This is what I'm gonna be wearing for work. I also like contouring my nose. It just makes me, I feel like when I contour my nose, it makes everything even. Everything is just complete, you know? The face is beat and complete. It just all connects, everything goes together very well, and it looks better. For me, at least. I like to do my hairline. I always like to do it like up to above my brows, like in this area, and I stop right there. I like to leave this blank. Kind of pulls up the eyes a little bit. See? And on my chin, I know I have this little, I just chisel it down as best as I could. I don't overdo it because, you know, we all know it's there. And it's gonna look like I'm trying real hard to cover it, whatever this is. But I'm not, I'm just, you know, blending it in. Okay, and for my blush, I decided to go with this NYX color. It's called Bang Bang. It looks like this. Okay, it's like a dark rose, I don't know, dark red. And I'm just gonna stamp it gently in this area and upwards. See the difference? And a little bit on my nosies. Check it out, it looks really good with this already. This is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. It's the Trader Joe's Cinnamon Roll Lip Mask. I love it. Even my little one uses it, but anyways, it looks like this. I like the color, if any, it just, or maybe it's just enhancing my lip color, but it looks really good. It complements my skin very well. It's the Trader Joe's Cinnamon Roll Flavor Lip Mask. I wear it every day at night after my nightly skincare. Okay, so I'm gonna dab some of that off. And the color is called Fearless. It's 135. It's the Maybelline Vinyl Ink
Mom,
lipsticks.
Can I get Peach the Pale?
No. This is how the wand looks like. I like how it's bended a little bit. Okay, here we go.
you forgot to give me the pump.
Oh, yeah. There it is. Oh my God. I forgot to do my eyelashes. But look how beautiful. This is one layer, one coat. It has a weird smell. It has a weird smell. Okay, while this sets and dries, it's still wet. I'm gonna do my eyelashes. I'm using the Define a Lash by Maybelline. Okay, so the lipstick has been on for a minute. It's still kind of sticky. Let me give it another 10 minutes. I'm just wondering if this is the way it's gonna stay. Okay, I gave it another 10 minutes and it looks like this is the way it's gonna be. I don't mind it. I just think that when I start drinking, you know, drinking from a cup, it's gonna stick maybe, I don't know. Oh, it didn't. Oh, wow. I forgot how strong these are. I haven't used them in a while. And I have like 4 of them, I think. Look at that. There's barely anything on it. But anyways, this is the look. I really love it. I love the way it turned out. So you got the bold lip and the brassy eyes, very subtle outline of the eyes. I think it looks really good. It's well, it complements itself. The lips complement the eyes and vice versa. And yes, this is the look for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you guys on the next video.